our Superintendent of Police Churchandpur, Madam Amrita Singh, will now receive salute from the contingents. Our Deputy Commissioner of Churchandpur, Sri Pawan Yadav, IAS, will receive the salute from the contingents, and it will be followed by the inspection of the contingents. Commissioner for the inspection of the contingents.
श्रीमान रेड लाल प्लेटून बैक पेन आपकी डिवीजन के लिए हाजिर है।
Contingent is the PSF contingent of STC Churchandpur, commanded by Inspector Anup Kumar. The next contingent is the civil policeman contingent, commanded by SI L. Convoy Golkar. Lastly, we have the media contingent, commanded by ASI Christopher Lankara. Please be ready for the unfurling of the national flag. be having the unfurling of our national flag. Can we all please rise to show our respect for our national flag and national anthem. Let's all be seated, please.
Red! Whistle!
A very good morning. My greetings to all on the 72nd Republic Day. This is an occasion to celebrate the values of our democracy and republic. This is also an occasion to reaffirm our commitment to liberty, fraternity, and equality across our society and amongst all our citizens. And above all, this is an occasion to celebrate India and the spirit of being Indian. India became republic on 26 January 1950. This was the second major milestone in our national building process. Independence had come a little over 2 years earlier. But it was the framing and adoption of the Constitution and the birth of the Republic of India that we truly achieved the ethic of equality amongst all citizens, irrespective of religion, region, or community. This ethic of equality complemented the liberty that had come at independence. And the third principle also defined both cooperative efforts at creating our republic as well as the India that we wish to be. This was the principle of fraternity. Independence had come after a great struggle in which millions had participated. They gave their all, many gave their lives. Inspired and led by Mahatma Gandhi, the men and women who took part in the freedom struggle could have rested on gaining of independence. They could have let down their guard and remained satisfied with political freedom. But they did not rest. Instead, they redoubled their effort. They immersed themselves in the process of writing our Constitution. They saw the Constitution not just a basic law for a new nation, but as a structure for social transformation. Our Constitution framers were men and women with great foresight. They understood the majesty as per rule of law and ruled by laws. They represented an important phase in our national life. We are fortunate to have inherited the legacy in the form of the Constitution and the Republic. The faith and commitment people gave life to our Constitution, and our founding fathers wisely and profoundly steered a new nation past its trouble and being a poor economy with huge regional imbalances and a vast citizenry deprived of even basic amenities. The object of government or administration in peace and war is not the glory of rulers or races, but the happiness of common man. Happiness is the fundamental to the human experience of life. We must make happiness and well-being of people as a touchstone of any public policy. The district administration Churachandpur has been undertaking several steps for the multi-dimensional development in all the fields by leaps and bounds. The district administration has not only put sincere efforts to provide good governance, but also had planned many innovative projects to improve the overall administration and the quality of life, as well as to take the happiness as the founding pillar for any public policy. many of the flagship initiatives that has been designed to promote the well-being of society. The Swachh Bharat mission, which aims at clean India. Churachandpur had been declared ODF on 11th of August 2018 to create awareness amongst the villagers and the public and the need to sustain the ODF. The installation of ODF signboard had been done in every village. To have a clean and hygienic environment, we had constructed more than 70 community sanitary complexes under SBMG. To have a proper system of solid and liquid waste management, we had taken up grey water management and plastic waste management, apart from construction of 254 individual household latrines. Water supply distribution network for Churachandpur town for promoting tourism under NICETS covers around 24 square kilometer and more than 15 habitations and more than 2,000 functional household tap connections. Water supply scheme under Jal Jeevan Mission, which aims to cover 430 villages to supply water in good quality and in sufficient quantity to every household. Further, apart from these 430 villages, 177 villages are proposed to be covered under New Development Bank funding. Under Jal Jeevan Mission, 13,118 functional household tap connection had been provided, and the district is targeting to complete the target by 2022. Under Prime Minister's 100 Days program, which aimed to provide water in all the schools and in Anganwadi centers by 31st March 2021, the work is in progress and we have achieved 50%, and we are aiming to cover the scheduled target before time. Assessment of children with special needs was conducted from 3rd to 7th of December 2020 at Henglip, Samulamlan and Churachandpur blocks under the intervention of inclusive education for the disabled. A total of 60 children with special needs were identified with the assistance of the staff of medical department. Further, towards the rebuilding our school infrastructure, we had 4 schools of the district which are covered under School Phagatanshi Mission. Recently, on 14th of January 2021, Singhat Government High School was inaugurated under the scheme. On the same day, the inauguration of new building of Zonal Education Office at Tipaimukh Road, Churachandpur had been done, which will further help in improving the education infrastructure. Further, a modernized library had also been inaugurated recently, which will be run by ADC. Under Autonomous District Council, construction of 10 new teachers' quarters and 7 new school buildings will provide better infrastructure for teachers and student community, thereby providing education to the children of the state in Churachandpur and Fajaur district. Further, under Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram, the new school building of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya had almost been completed, and the new hostel is being constructed under Backward Region Grant Fund. A number of additional classrooms and PHCs is being undertaken in schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram and Backward Region Grant Fund, aiming in improving the overall infrastructure of education and health in Churachandpur. The Forest Department had taken a number of steps to conserve the environment. In year 2020-21, the area covered under the plantation of community, private and forest land was 405 hectares. A total of 6,05,300 seedlings were raised in nurseries. 1,60,300 seedlings were distributed to public, and the remaining 4,45,000 was utilized for plantation activities. We have a total of 10 VDVKs, 1 Dhan Vikas Kendra in district, and the revenue generated is around 8 to 10 lakhs. Programs like Narega is enhancing employment generation to rejuvenate the rural economy. Aadhaar with its present reach will include DBT, plugging leakages and improve transparency. The number of average employment which was provided in 2018-19 was 22 days, while in 2019-20 we achieved 37 days. And as we stand here today, we have achieved 56 days of average employment, providing per household under the scheme of NREGA in the ongoing financial year 2020-21. With an aim to improve and achieve transparency and accountability in administration, e-office had been introduced in the DC office, Churachandpur. A gigantic task of digitizing 650 old files as well as uploading these files on the portal had been done. Many innovation had been done during COVID times with an e-pass application which was made during curfew. Further, SDL Tuibong introduced QR code for COVID-19 movement pass. The Social Welfare Department had also been taking a number of steps under various schemes. A total of 5,290 beneficiaries had been identified under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, 500 under Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme and 113 under Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme. 217 beneficiaries are availing payment of rupees 1,500 per month through DBT under CMST. Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan was also launched on 15th August 2020. The distribution of cardamom seedlings and interaction with village chiefs and civil society organizations had been done under Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. Further, our district police had a total of 3,468.5 liters, 110 bottles and 260 cans of liquor and 2 bags, 44 boxes and 113 packets of assorted tobacco products were seized by the police department. Further, drugs worth rupees 29,43,600 was seized and 122 acres of poppy cultivation worth approximately rupees 7.8 crores was destroyed by the police department. The district police had successfully solved few cases like ATM money laundering, rescuing a kidnapped victim from Rajasthan. Further, district police had also seized 28 illegal foreign bikes and seized 122 modified bike silencers. In the fight against COVID-19 pandemic, the district police had collected rupees 14,07,900 of challan against the violator of COVID-19 and SOP traffic violators. In the COVID times, Churachandpur had one of the maximum number of returnees. Our COVID sample collecting team had collected nearly 36,736 samples and we have managed more than hundreds of quarantine centers providing essentials in the compelling situation. On this occasion, I would like to compliment our frontline workers, the selfless service rendered by them beyond the call of duty, endless day and night working for the society and the nation. They epitomize the belief and endless service to humanity. Year 2021 brings a lot of hope in our fight against pandemic with the rollout of COVID vaccine. On 16th January, the vaccination started with our Chief Medical Officer, Medical Superintendent and District Family Welfare Officer being the first to get vaccinated. More than 3,000 health workers have been enrolled and will get vaccination in coming days. In the next phase, the enrollment of 4,000 frontline workers had been done and they will get vaccination in next phase. District Hospital and PHC Behyang were awarded the most coveted NQAS full certification with cash award for 3 years. They are the only health institution getting full NQAS certification with cash award from Manipur state till date. Further, District Hospital was awarded the best performing district hospital in PMJY implementation on 23rd September 2020. Churachandpur had also got its first medical college which will provide the best medical facilities to people of Churachandpur and neighboring district. Apart from training 100 students per year. Today the day is usually dotted with cultural programs, competitions, ceremonies and parades. This year, because of pandemic, many restrictions are already in place. It is therefore advised that we observe the day and revel in patriotism by maintaining all social distance guidelines and safety guidelines and keep ourselves and our community safe. On this occasion, I would like to compliment our uniformed forces for maintaining the law and order in the district. Due to improved law and order situation, the district administration has shown a significant improvement in terms of governance and implementation of our flagship schemes. At the end, I would like to give special thanks to all our frontline workers, leaders, volunteers, various civil society organizations, and the general public for the support and cooperation extended to the district administration in our fight against COVID-19. With those words, I once again wish you all the Happy Republic Day and wish all of you a very bright and fulfilling future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Red! Gandhi Bagul! Sus! Red! दाहिने बाएं चलेगा दाहिने बाएं मुड़ Red! बाएं से चल
सारा जहां देख लिया, तकदीर तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। हसीना ही सौ दिन दुनिया घुमा, कहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तरफाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, मम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तेरे पास ही मैं आ रहा, अपनी बाहें खोल दे। जोर से तुझको गले लगाए, मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे। सूरज चंदा नदियां पर अब रहे हम जिस समुंदर हम जीत परिंदे दुनिया अपनी है सबसे सुंदर सौ रंग हमारे एक रंग बने हम मिलकर देखो हम हैं भारत इंडिया ओ हो हम सूरज चंदा नदियां पर अब रहे समंदर हम जीत परिंदे दुनिया अपनी है सबसे सुंदर सौ रंग हमारे एक रंग बने हम मिलकर देखो हम हैं भारत इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया इंडिया ये है हमारा भारत इंडिया ये है हमारा भारत इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया इंडिया ये है हमारा भारत इंडिया ये है हमारा भारत इंडिया ओ हो हो ओ हो हो
Thank you, One Hangzhou, for those beautiful patriotic songs. To award appreciation certificate to the following government employees, government institutions and NGOs in recognition of their valuable services to Churachandpur district on the occasion of the 72nd Republic Day celebration on 26 January 2021. DC's office. And this will be followed by team name, Superintendent DC's office. Please be on standby. Next we have Zamga Iman, LDC, DC's office. Nemne Kim, Lambo, DC's office. Nemne Kim, Kamgolian, Lambo, DC's office. Zamin Lin, Lupo, SDC's, Churachandpur, please be on standby. Zamin Lin, Lupo. Kamgolian. Zamin Lin, Lupo, SDC's, Churachandpur. KH Sarat Chandra, SDC, SDO Tuibong. Thangkolal, EO. LC Tuangi, LDC, SDO Churachandpur. D. Linmal Som, Mandal, SDO Churachandpur. Thangkohem Haukip, SO, BDO Tuibong. D. Demmang Haukip, VLW, BDO Tuibong. Muhammad Koyamuddin, VLW, BDO Tuibong. Timothy Hautian Muan, Office Assistant, SDO Saikot. Pauline Mang Kipgen. SK, SDO Saikot. Ken P. Tombing, Principal, Rayburn College. Peter G. Beglin, District Manager, IT. Lekraj Mina, Principal, KV. N. Thangmilian, Cashier, Head Office, ADC, Churachandpur. John Laltan Lane, Supervisor, Town Office, ADC, Churachandpur. K. Lian Khan Mao, Supervisor, Town Office, ADC, Churachandpur. Loon Min Thang, Supervisor, Town Office, ADC, Churachandpur. Lal Thang Moy, Peon, Head Office, ADC, Churachandpur. Ding Siam Kim, A&M, CMO, Churachandpur. Tinrao Siam, CHO, Sample Collection Team, CMO, Churachandpur. Elengbam Milan Kumar Singh, Pharmacist, CMO Store, CMO, Churachandpur. T. Khamzaman, Driver, ICTC, Mobile Van, CMO, Churachandpur. Lian Biak Thang, Songput, DO, DMO Office, CMO, Churachandpur. Wahengbam Manoj Tan Singh, MPW, DMO Office. V. Kaikosiam, MHW, DMO Office. Don Ngailian, BFM, NHM Singat Block, CMO, Churachandpur. H. Vanlal Ven Langel, VCCM. Sir, that will be all. Thank you. Now I'd like to request our Madam SP, P. Amrita Singh, to give away the next awards. Seiza Kham Kongsai, Soil Surveyor. Seiza Kham Kongsai. Lalmal Som, PCC. District Horti and Soil Conservation Department. Yes. Sri Thang David Mar, Forest Guard, DFO, Churachandpur. Paune Siam, Forest Guard, DFO, Churachandpur. Paunay Siam, Forest Guard DF4 Churachandpur. Gen Khan Khub, Forest Guard DF4 Churachandpur. Gen Khan Khub. Zamtian John, Hausel, Forest Guard DF4 Churachandpur. Please be on standby. Zamchilian Guite, Forest Guard DF4 Churachandpur. Lalthang Sahi, Lab Technician, Blood Bank, Medical Superintendent Office. Edwin Ma Darmon, Driver, Medical Superintendent Office. Singai Lian, Staff Nurse. Niam Ngaiman, Volunteer Nurse. Niang Khan Ngai, Volunteer Nurse. Vung Dei Mang, Volunteer Nurse. Tingai Lian, LDC, PWD, please be on standby. Jingai Lian, LDC. T Zengo Niang, LDC, PWD. SIP, Siam Kolal Zo. SI Howlin Sang Sing Son. SIV Pum Khan Siam. Women ASI Chingsamoy Paite. Head Constable Pau Khalal Haukip. Head Constable Siamlal Paul. Head Constable Siamlal Paul. Head Constable VL Biaklun. VL Biaklun. Head Constable N Ginza Siam. Now on behalf of Nun Ken Kham, Di Khai Lun, Hem Khosun Tau Thang, Gin Lal Lian, Thang tit sat misau gin khan siam tuan lian thang ton sing do zapau hau kip khai min thang hau kip palme dingam kakabui Ruby tamang thang se hau kip pau min lun tau thang th lien vel ne sil Joseph kailal sang thang ko hau kip. On behalf of all this will be received by Noon Khen Kam. Thank you, ma'am. That will be all. Thank you. The next group of awardees to give away the awards, the certificates, I'd like to call on our Divisional Forest Officer, Ms. Esther Laltrankim Serto IFS. Hau Kolien Hang Hal DCS Court. Puthim Ubungo Singh, please be on standby. Puthim Ubungo Singh, Lalsang Liana, Headmaster NKT School, Konpui. M. Sanathoi, Cluster Coordinator, SSA, Hingle Block. Chin Khan Thang, Grade 4 DI, Churachandpur Block, under ZTO's office. Songkolun Haulai, Chief of Haizang Village. Sai Haizang Village, Plastic Free Village. L. Paulo Mon, Assistant Engineer PhD. Lalrin Dik, SO PhD. Paunei Mang, Technical Assistant, MSPD CL Churachandpur. Khai Min Lal Tothang, Junior Technical Assistant, MSPD CL Churachandpur. Min Lal Tothang, Nengkhan Lal Saute, UDC, DFWO Churachandpur. Kamsathang Haukip, President KKL, General Headquarters, Churachandpur. Lian Khanswan Hauzel, Associate NCC Officer, Principal of Rayburn College. Lieutenant Lian Khanswan Hauzel. Young Paite Station, Anti-Drug Cell, General Headquarters, Lamka. District Hospital, Churachandpur. anyone who can receive on behalf of, oh sorry, Samaritan Nursing Home Bizang. H. Ahongjao Singh MPS, Assistant Commandant, 1st IRB Headquarters Van. And for the next group, Havildar S. Tejan Singh, Havildar C.H. Nanda Kumar Singh, Havildar Kaikhosat Tothang, Havildar W. Ibomcha Singh, Havildar Damtong Haukip, Havildar Nengson Mung Paite. For that, I'd like to call on Kaikhosat Tothang to receive on their behalf. And for the next group, Rifleman S. Robindro Singh, Rifleman Kamtul Thang, Rifleman Joshi Pau Kumang, Rifleman Zamin Lun, Rifleman Kamzahau Paite, Rifleman Angrun and Seikolen. And to receive on their behalf, I'd like to call on S. Robindro Singh. Next, we have the parade commander. Parade commander. Flag hoisting in charge. Sorry, flag unfurling. Pilots, please be ready. Pilots. Field marshalling team. Field marshalling team. Then lastly, Mon Hangzhou. That will be all. Thank you, ma'am.
मैं बीएसएफ से और केसरी मूवी से मैं एक तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा सुनाना चाहता हूँ। तलवारों पे वारू दिए अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। मेरी जमी अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सो दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फिर काला पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पान सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना वे मेरा वतना वे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी अजमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीरो मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आँख गड़ी पर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ ओ ओ जय हिंद।
Thank you and Chakrapani for that beautiful special number. And please be there. Rukiye bhai. I'd like to request our DC to hand over appreciation lifafa. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chakrapani. And all those who have come today to make our program a success. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind. Have a good day.